It's December 21st, 2021. My name is Stuart Stotts. This is song premiere on Tuesday. Happy solstice, and this is a holiday song. I wrote it last year, and I've searched, and I don't believe I played this because it wasn't ready in time last year, waiting for the holiday. And it's a song that just kind of paints a picture. You can draw the feelings from it that you will, but just trying to just run the lens around. So thank you very much for being here. At a diner south of the interstate, cars from near and far, Sue takes orders, clears the place, swipes the credit cards. With some jingle bells and a Santa hat, she'll wish them all good cheer. She hopes the tips are generous in the spirit of the year. Working on Christmas Day, working on Christmas Day. Jingle bells and a Santa hat, working on Christmas Day. Families eating pancakes, truckers eating pie. A coffee pot that's fresh and hot helps the hours go by. Sue's mother and her father watch her daughter and her son. They'll celebrate together when her shift is done. Working on Christmas Day, working on Christmas Day. A coffee pot that's fresh and hot, working on Christmas Day. 'Cause as we sit with family, count the gifts around the tree, cinnamon rolls and candles burning outside, the world keeps on turning. Doctor reads an x-ray, dispatch takes a call, nurse's aide wheels residents to the dining hall, and someone's serving turkey at the shelter on the square. Sue drives home as the sun goes down, tinsel in her hair, working on Christmas Day, working on Christmas Day. Sue drives home as the sun goes down, working on Christmas Day, working on Christmas Day, working on Christmas Day. Thank you very much for being here, and happy solstice.